During the course, you'll work with a virtual computer. You won't need to install any libraries, any Python program, because I have pre-configured a virtual machine so that you don't have any problems with the installations and you are ready to work with the materials. Let me show you how to. First, you create an user in github.com. You may visit these websites to do so. And once you have your user here, in this case I have created one called Ranker Post, you create a fork. Very important that you deselect this checkbox and now create the fork. We already have a copy of the materials that you will develop during the course in your profile. Now we will launch this virtual computer by clicking on Codes, Codespaces, and the plus button. This process may take a while, so sit comfortable, and around 2-3 minutes everything will be set up. As you can see, the virtual computer is executing this command that takes the libraries in this requirements.txt file to install the Python libraries that we will need to work on the exercises. Let's wait a bit more. And now that the virtual computer is set up, we can close the terminal. It's very important that you understand the structure of the materials that I develop. You can observe inside the notebooks folder that we have another folders. Those are the modules that we will develop. Within each module, you will have different lectures, as you can see here, with the files. In the a.ipnv files, you have the blank notebooks that you may use as a reference to develop the exercises. But I will also provide you with the solutions. You go to exercises, then in clicking on the origin solutions, you will see the b.ipnv files that contain the codes with the solutions that in case you get lost, you have it as a reference to develop the exercises. Now I'm going to show you an example that I want you to develop. This is mandatory before the lesson so that you have the materials ready. Just execute one command, for example this one. To execute, you press Ctrl Enter, and now they will ask for the Python environments. You select the recommended, and there you get the result. To register the changes so that I can have a look at them, you click here and then you put some message. First commands executed, click on commits, yes, and sync the changes. You click on the OK as well. Anytime you get these suggestion panels, it's recommended that you follow the instructions and click on the green button. Now you go back to the GitHub folder that you see on the solutions had recent pushed. You go to the certain commits, and in the branch solutions you will see that the message you have put with your username, it's executed. And that's it so far. I'll see you on class, where I will teach you many Python tricks and assist you with the errors, questions, doubts that you may have while you work on the exercises. Take care.